let's go where the high demand is. And
I heard you use my homegirl's concrete company, Florida Boys.
oh yeah.
Yeah, her daughter worked, Brittany.
Yeah, Florida Boys. So Florida Boys, Miss Christina, you
Yeah.
know, Immokalee, people from Immokalee. You
Yeah.
know, you got her husband, you know, the Guerreros.
Yeah, I've
I don't
heard
know.
beautiful things about them from her
Yeah, I
daughter.
mean, for me, we use them, and they're very organized. We like to have those people in our team to assemble something that means a lot, you know, which is a home, un hogar, you know, we call it in Spanish, and that's what we have. We try to have everyone that we have, try to have a loyalty, create that, you know. When I was doing the shell, when I started off, you know, going sell, knocking on every door, trying to convince everybody at 19. I had one of the youngest contractors in the state of Florida, which really was a disadvantage because no one's gonna take someone seriously at 19. And I understood the prints, I understood what I had to do, but I understood systems.
That's amazing.
And the systems that I have now, I implicate them to build these houses. So I understood, I'm like, hey, I can probably do this, but am I an expert? And I sit back and I hire one better instead of me doing it.
Of course.
So
of course.
now that kind of changed up the game plan, and I'm ready. I'm ready to attack these houses. I'm ready to give people, you know, what we gotta offer.
What you're doing is amazing. Giving back to the community, especially you know, in Immokalee, or how I've been told it's called iTown now.
iTown,
This is what
yes,
they call
beautiful
it,
iTown. You know, I was raised here. I wish I could say I was born, but you know, we don't have a hospital. We don't have a hospital. We don't even have an urgent care. And when I started building houses here, it was a decision where no one around me, I was building Cape Coral, Lehigh, where no one around me was like, are you crazy? Why are you gonna go out there and put yourself out of business? People don't have that type of money. But the thing is here is that everybody that comes around here, that lives around here, is cash strong. These houses that majority that I've been selling are zero finance. People come to you and buy a house for $300,000 cash.
Jesus.
So, but they're subjected to like horrible homes around here, horrible living standards. So when you build something like this, to them it's like, hey, you know, this got me into the Chamber of Commerce, this got me to CRA, and this is great. I mean, banking is my loan, everything is great. I love this community, I love it, and we're doing big things. We're changing up the landscape.
Let me tell you, like I came and I saw the lake and I saw the houses. And I've been to Immokalee a bunch of times because I like going to the casino. I mean, you know, gamble, drink.
Oh
and
yeah.
I'll go to down the street to La Fruteria and I get like real good vegetables and stuff like that. I like to cook. But when you drive, you're like, oh, where's this town at? Like, who lives out here? And what you're doing now is amazing because, like I said, you know, like I know someone that was raised out here.
Right.
And they were telling me like, yo, like, no one believed in iTown.
No.
You know what I'm saying? Like, and like you said, there's no hospital. You want a hospital, you gotta go to Carter County, like the Naples, you know what I'm saying? They'll go get seen, and then vamos a ver when you can get seen. And then it's like you said, there's no type of attention. I mean, do I blame the government? Man, the government is a special case. Do I blame the city? Of course, because you know what? Get the funds, knock on the governor's door, be like, yo, give us some money, we need a hospital. We got more than 10,000 people now, so we need a hospital. Put me at least in urgent care. Somebody with a nurse or somebody that can inject somebody, they need penicillin or insulin or something so that we don't have dying people here. And what you're doing, building more houses, putting more houses, what you're doing, you're gonna grow a commerce. And eventually, I worked for Publix for many years and I studied Publix's rules, and Publix's rules were, we build where there's a lot of roofs going up. And you have a lot of roofs going up. And I'm telling you, if you could fill this whole area up with homes, but it costs you a penny, you know what I mean? And even if the market were to shift a little bit, you have to sell for a little bit cheaper, but your merchandise is gonna be cheaper. But what your goal, your end goal is amazing, dude. It's incredible. I mean, you left me like without words on that one. That's amazing what you're doing.
And that's what made me focus. We're still participating in that real estate market, which is the Cape Coral market, the Lehigh market. We're in it. You know, now we're going to the La Belle, and we're fortunate to say that we're going to the Golden Gate market. You know, the Naples market. Here's the thing, though. I mean, Immokalee is just so special to me, and I won't leave it. You know, I'm part of this.
How old are you?
I'm 26. I just turned 26 a couple of days ago.
That's amazing, dude.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. I hope that 14 years from now, you'll be 40. I'll be 54. Don't put that on camera. But I hope to see like this big thing that you did because it's amazing what you're doing. And I'm seeing it by just seeing this, I'm seeing, you know, I hired her because I saw a vision in her, and I know she's gonna become somebody big. But the fact how she talks about your build, it's amazing, dude. It's amazing.
Thank you. Thank
you. And I know you got that on camera. Thanks. I appreciate it.
Thank you, man.
That's gonna be your
Hey, man,
interview.
appreciate it. That's it.